Hello, my name is Dan Trainer. With me is Lonnie Taylor, and this is our project on the frontal lobe. Overview. The frontal lobe is the largest structure of the brain's cerebrum. It is the site of higher cognitive functions including attention, thought, voluntary movement, decision-making, and, of course, language. It is located in the front of the cerebrum, thus the name frontal lobe. Parts of the frontal lobe. Parts include frontal eye fields, prefrontal cortex, Broca's area, primary motor cortex, and premotor cortex. Frontal eye fields. This area, approximately the size of your big toe, lies just between the premotor cortex and the prefrontal cortex. It plays an important role in visual attention and eye movements. Prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is involved in higher brain functions such as decision-making, planning, problem-solving, and thinking. Other functions include attention, inhibition, intelligence, and social skills. It is the foremost part of the frontal lobe, and it itself includes the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex and the medial prefrontal cortex. Broca's area. The Broca's area is a small area about the size of a peach pit, buried in the prefrontal cortex. It is involved in production of both speech and sign languages, as well as the comprehension and understanding of complex syntax or sentence structure. Premotor cortex. Between the prefrontal cortex and the primary motor cortex lies the premotor cortex, a slice of brain about the width of your little finger. It is involved in planning and executing motor movements and is also the site of imitations and empathy in the brain. The primary motor cortex. Just behind the premotor cortex and about the same size as the primary motor cortex, it is almost entirely in charge of coordination and initiation of motor movement. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We appreciate your attention and hope to see you again soon.